Hi, I'm Michael and I'm here to talk to you about how to use the Hemway Hybrid Polymer Sealant and Adhesive. There are three key features to note before loading your cartridge into the sealant applicator. Starting with the top. You've got to cut that off using a craft tool. Once it's gone, we're done. You then want to apply the nozzle by screwing it on clockwise, nice and tight so the sealant doesn't seep out. And then finally, you've got the top of the nozzle, which has this lovely cap to reseal. You've then got to make your cut to the profile you require. I recommend cutting your nozzle on a 45-degree angle. Once you've cut the nozzle, you're ready to go, you're prepared. Load your sealant tube into your sealant applicator. You want to position the end of the tube towards the area that you're looking to seal on a 45-degree angle. You want to squeeze the trigger in a slow, consistent manner while moving the end of the nozzle back towards yourself or towards the end of where you're looking to seal, ensuring that you maintain slow, consistent movement throughout. Now you've applied the sealant, it's time to take the excess off with your Hemway profiling tooling kit. In the box, you'll find 4 different profiling tools with different edges and corners. These give you different profiles and sizes. Select the correct one for the sealant that you've applied, and in the same 45-degree angle motion, you want to pull that sealant profiling tool towards you, removing any excess, giving you the perfect finish every time.